it's Miss Chalone, and I'm here to teach you today how to do the cup routine to the song Royals that was created and put on YouTube by Sara Stone. All right, so the first part of it's going to be pretty simple. The second part's not terribly difficult. It's the final part that's probably the most challenging, along with keeping it all together. All right, so here we go. The first part of it's very simple. It's just going to be a lift, lift, pat, pat, lift, lift, pat, pat, lift, pat, lift, pat, pat, lift, pat. That's it. The second part is just a variation on that where she moves the cup to one side. So that's just going to be a pat, move, move, pat, move, 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 move. Okay, simple enough. Then she does one more variation on that where she moves the cup and then turns it to a different direction as she goes along. So it's going to be down, move, and flip, down, move, and flip, down, move, and flip. All right, so far so good, not terribly difficult. The next move that she has is this kind of this turn part. Now, the biggest part of that is you can't do it too much or else your cup's gonna go, and you can't do it too little or else it just doesn't go anywhere. So you need to kind of work on, how much to turn it, so you have enough time to stop it. Okay, so you're just gonna practice doing that, all right? So for this next part, you're just going to be turning the cup, hitting it against the table, and then turning it upside down. You're going to pat, move, tap, switch, move, tap, switch, tap, switch, tap, switch. Okay. Move, tap, switch. 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 All right, so the next part, she gets even a little bit more fancy. So the next thing that she does that's just a little variation on that is she does this where she moves it, she picks it up, she taps it, she switches, and she hits it twice, okay? You move it, tap, pick it up, tap, switch, tap, tap. Okay, let's do that a few times, all right? Tap, move, pick it up, tap, move, pick it up, tap, switch, tap, all right? Pat, move, pick it up, tap, switch. Pat, move, pat, pick it up, tap, down, down. Pat, move, pick it up, tap, down, down. All right? All right, the final thing that she does is the most complicated of all of it. And at the very end of the song, she actually does it 3 times in a row before she taps it down. All right? So this is the most complicated of them all. Okay. So this final thing, she kind of does that same thing as in Pitch Perfect, where she moves it, pat, picks it up, hits it, taps it, switch, pats, and tap. Okay, let's do that again. So she moves it, pick it up, hit it, tap it, switch, pat, and tap. Okay, again. Pat, move, pick, hit, tap. Now, the rhythm that she does that is a little bit faster, okay? So let's first just see if you can do it a little bit more fluid, all right? So here we go. Pat, move, pat, move, hit, pat, move, pat, move. Okay? Now, let's try it even a little bit faster, something along these lines. I'm going to do it a couple more times slow, and then you can build that back up to that again. Pat, move, pat, pick up, hit, pat, switch, pat, move, hit, pat, move, hit, pat, move, pat, move, pat, move, pat, move, pat, all right? So at the very end, she does that same 3 times in a row, and then taps it twice. So pick it up, hit, tap, switch, down, pick it up, hit, tap, switch, down, pick it up, hit, tap, switch, down. Okay? Okay, let's do that again. Okay, do it again. Now we're going to tap twice at the end. Ready? Now, don't get frustrated if you get, if it takes you a long time of practicing. When I was figuring this out with a few students of mine, it definitely took us a while to figure it out and to practice it, and the cups went flying at times. So don't get frustrated, just keep on trying, and at some point you're going to be able to do it right along with her. So, good luck, keep practicing, and we'll see you again.
I've never seen a diamond in the flesh. I cut my teeth on wedding rings in the movies, and I'm not proud of my address. In a torn up town, no postcode envy, but every song is like gold teeth, grey goose tripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We're not caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royals. It's just not in our blood. The kind of love's just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz, and let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. And let me live that fantasy. My friends and I, we've cracked the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party, and everyone who knows us knows that we're fine with this. We didn't come from money, but every song is like gold teeth, grey goose dripping in the bathroom, bloodstains, ball gowns, trash in the hotel room. We don't care. We're driving Cadillacs in our dreams, but everybody's like crystal, Maybach, diamonds on your timepiece, jet planes, islands, tigers on a gold leash. We don't care. We're not caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royals. It's just not in our blood. That kind of love's just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz, and let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. Oh, 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 we're bigger than we ever dreamed, and I'm in love with being queen. Oh, 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 and life is good without a care. We aren't caught up in your love affair, and we'll never be royals. It's just not in our blood. That kind of love's just ain't for us. We crave a different kind of buzz, and let me be your ruler. You can call me Queen Bee, and baby I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy.
even Sara Stone at the beginning of her video has a bunch of bloopers, so she even struggled to do it all perfectly for her video. So please just keep on practicing. It's a lot of fun. All right? Happy practicing!